Ready to unlock the power of Adobe Animate by mastering its settings panel? First, let's locate the settings menu by clicking on Edit. See the top menu bar. Go to the top left corner and spot Edit. Click on Edit to pull down a list of drop-down options. Scroll to almost the bottom of the drop-down menu and you will find the word Preferences. This is your gateway to configuring Animate just the way you like it. Once you click it, the Preferences window opens. Within this window are various categories, like General. This is the first step on your journey through settings. Initially, the General option is presented. Use the Configuration option to change your general settings and navigate through different sections. This area covers options like your startup settings. Next, we'll look at a different option. If you click on Interface, you can customize to change the look and feel of the software, from the colors to the workspace layout, allowing you to create a working environment that suits your style. There are other helpful categories that allows you to customize Animate to the fullest. For example, look at the Workspace category. This section, among other things, allows you to customize your tools and their configurations. Once you play with the settings and find the perfect configuration, click OK at the bottom and your new preferences will be set. Now you're ready to dive deeper into Adobe Animate. Experiment and adjust until you find what suits your workflow. Don't be afraid to explore.